My name is Thomas Oirere. I am the County Public Health Officer, Kisii County Government. We have gathered here to mark a very important day, event in the calendar of our nation, the World Menstrual Hygiene Management Day. This is a day that has been celebrated since 2014, and for Kisii County, this is the biggest magnitude we are marking this year. This brings together various partners from non-governmental organizations, governments, individuals, and organizations who support this event. This event is meant to sensitize the community for this event because menstrual hygiene in this community is a rarely spoken outwardly something. Now we have come to sensitize our people about menstrual hygiene. This is a very normal process in human beings because without menstruation, population cannot grow. But you get that taboos and misconceptions, myths, keep off people from talking about it openly. So today we have gathered here to mark this event so that we can sensitize our communities about menstrual hygiene management. We are targeting all the population because equally in one way or the other, they are all involved. Young girls and women in Kisii County who menstruate every month, they vary from 365,000 to around 400,000. And they use disposable sanitary pads. These sanitary pads affect negatively our environment because they are poorly managed. We don't have a good capacity to manage these sanitary pads. So we have come to tell our people that we have also alternatives, that we have also disposable and biodegradable sanitary pads. We have also reusable or washable sanitary pads and sanitary cups that can be used for more than a year continuously without disposing. So we are targeting school girls, we are targeting institutions, we are targeting the general population to be aware that we have those products. We have been supported by our partners, HF, Western Kenya Sanitation, and the other partners who are around, and we are going to give them a chance so that they can speak. So we are also in the Kisii County government is in the process of setting up a plant that is going to manufacture disposable, biodegradable sanitary pads